Oh, I can already feel it being cold.
Don't even feel it. Just do it. Don't even feel the water. Fuck feeling the water. Don't get one of them nails stuck in your foot.
Yeah, I know that one.
This is a poor idea.
Shush.
Yo, man.
Let him do it.
Oh, it's a poor idea.
I'd go the other side if I were you.
Heart attack.
I just hope the guy my foot doesn't get caught in this. Alright, you ready?
Ready.
Are you videotaping now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he's videotaping it.
Fucking
Holy
cold.
shit!
Get the rope. Yeah, you gotta get the rope.
Fuck that! Let's go get the rope.
I'll climb the tree and get it.
Excuse me.